Allahu, 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 Allah. Allahu, Allahu, La ilaha illallah.
Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to our channel. Let's get into the video today and learn 10 new information.
Where did the first group of Muslims migrate before the Prophet ﷺ's hijrah to Medina? Your options are option A Turkey or option B Abyssinia. The right answer is option B Abyssinia, now called Ethiopia. When Prophet ﷺ reached Masjid al-Aqsa, who did he lead in prayers there? Your options are option A, all the prophets peace be upon them, or option B, Prophet Isa alayhi salam. The right answer is option A, all the prophet peace be upon them. What gift did he bring back from Allah from the miraculous night journey to the heavens? Your options are option A, Ramadan fasting, or option B, 5 days daily salah. The right answer is option B, 5 times daily salah. When did the Battle of Uhud take place? Your options are option A, Hijri 5, or option B, Hijri 3. The right answer is option B, Hijri 3. What is the name of first battle of Islam? Your options are option A, Battle of Uhud, or option B, Battle of Badr. The right answer is option B, Battle of Badr. What is the meaning of Surah Ash-Shu'ara? Your options are option A, the consultation, or option B, the reference. The right answer is option A, the consultation. What is the meaning of Surah Az-Zukhruf? Your options are option A, the gold, or option B, the silver. The right answer is option A, the gold. What is the meaning of Surah Ad-Dukhan? Your options are option A, the rock, or option B, the smoke. The right answer is option B, the smoke. What is the meaning of Surah Al-Jathiyah? Your options are option A, the highest, or option B, the kneeling. The right answer is option B, the kneeling. What is the meaning of Surah Al-Ahqaf? Your options are option A, the valley, or option B, the ocean. The right answer is option A, the valley.
Every new information you learn about Islam and share with others, inshallah, you will be rewarded sadaqah jariyah for it. So to learn more information about Islam consistently, subscribe to our channel and check our new videos. If you are new to this video, please check our old episodes and subscribe to our channel. Alhamdulillah.